Hello everyone, welcome to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a very tricky mathematics question. So now we are going to solve this. That first of all, the square root that 3 raised to the power 4, then to the power 2, to the power 1, to the power 9, and then power 9. So now we are just taking this power 9 raised to the power 9. Let us suppose it is equal to 9 raised to the power 9 is equal to x. So now putting this value here, then we get 3 to the power 4 to the power 2 to the power 1, and here it is 9 raised to the power 9 is equal to x. So putting x, now we can see that, as we know that, for example, if we have base 1 with power some number, like it is any number 1, 2 or 3, so we can get the answer is 1. So here if we have the value of 1 of x, like 1 raised to the power 2, then we have the value is equal to 1. Similarly, if we put 1 raised to the power 3, then we get 1. So again, if we have 1 raised to the power 100, so it is also equal to 1. Hence we are going to write this, that 1 raised to the power x is equal to 1. So 1 raised to the power x is equal to 1. Putting here, then we get the result, that square root 3 raised to the power 4 to the power 2, and here 1 raised to the power x is equal to 1. So putting here is 1. Now we see that here 2 raised to the power 1. So if we have any number having power 1, then we get it is actually that number. So for example, we have a number like 100, then it has the power 1, then it is equal to 100. Similarly, if we have a, the power 1, so it is equal to a. Here 2 raised to the power 1 is also equal to 2. So square root that 3 raised to the power 4 and 2 raised to the power 1 is equal to 2. So it's very simple. Now square root and 3 raised to the power 4 raised to the power 2, and we know that 4 raised to the power 2 is actually 4 times 4, and which is equal to 16. So now we are going to put here 16. So 3 raised to the power 16, and we also know that the value of square root here, it is 1 over 2. So putting this value here with multiplying with power, then we get 3 raised to the power 16 times 1 over 2. So 2 1 is 2, 2 8s are 16, and then we get 3 raised to the power 8, 3 raised to the power 8. So now 3 raised to the power 8 can be written as 3 raised to the power 8 is 3 raised to the power 2 times 3 raised to the power 2 times 3 raised to the power 2 times 3 raised to the power 2. And we know by the exponential law, the bases or same power will be added. So 2 1 2, that 2 plus 2 is 4, and plus 2 is 6, and plus 2 is 8. So it is equal to 3 raised to the power 8. So now we can write it like this, that 3 square is equal to 9. Here it is 9, it is 9, and 3 square is equal to 9. So multiplying 9 with 9, then we get 81. So it is also 81, and when we multiply this, we get the answer. But we also use the easy step like this. If we write it like 81, it is 80 plus 1. So we get this 81 multiplied by 80 and plus 81 multiplied by 1, which is 81 multiplied by 1. We can write it like this, that 0 at 1 is 8, at 8 is 64. So 6480, and similarly 81 with multiplying with 1, we get 81. Now adding these, then we get 1 and 6 at 16 6, and then 4 1 5, and then 6, so 6561. So it is our required answer that we have. So simplify this one, so it is our solution. So answer is, here the answer is that 6000 561. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling, keep growing. Goodbye.